Okay, you can start, Elias. Oh, I started recording.
Okay. I thought Harry is interested in joining this. Am I correct?
Sorry?
Harry is interested in joining this. So shall we wait for them or what?
No, I think Hari will not join today call. That's why I'm recording this one. He's busy with another call.
Okay, okay, okay.
Anyway, let me add it, Andis and Hari.
Andes may not able to join also, so maybe only both of us because Kishore have a urgent leave today.
Then it's
Okay.
fine. We can continue.
Let me close all these and other things so that we can focus on our sharing session.
Okay.
Okay. It consumes some memory. Okay. I will share this process flow. We are using the GigaFab process flow.
Mhm.
Okay. So to better understand the system, I hope that you can see my screen right now.
Yes.
Okay. So let me make it smaller. How about now? Is the screen okay? The screen size?
Yeah, it's
Are
okay
you
now.
able to see this picture correctly? Like Promise, Oracle, EBS, B2B.
Yes.
Okay. So let me before I go to current flow, right? It's better for me to explain to you what is the previous flow. Okay.
Okay.
Before introducing the ASMView to GigaFab.
Mhm.
So this is also what have been told by Hari before that his understanding also come from a GigaFab. Okay, so if you may aware, right, GigaFab is consists of Fab 2, Fab 3, Fab
Mm.
5, and Fab 6. I think Fab 6 maybe defunct already, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, but yeah, if you see from here, SMView is not come into the picture yet. Okay, there is Oracle EBS, there is a B2B. Okay, there is Promise, and there is a Subcon.
Mm.
Subcon is the place where I mentioned last week. Not last. Okay, the first session that it is the party that actually processing the post fab process like BAM sort assembly. So they are the one that processing this. Okay, so to communicate with us in as a fab owner, as a product owner, to communicate with us, they actually go through B2B system. Okay, so the B2B system is in the middle, communicating between us and subcon.
Okay.
Okay, so they are integrating between here fab, GFab, and subcon.
Okay.
Okay, on this you can see that this is only a general stage. There is couple of other stats, but I just put generally that we have IQAB. They always have come with this kind of stats like PI, RDL. There is a meaning of this stage like solder reflow, OQAB, trans out. There is a meaning which is they execute in subcon. But our outside we will map to this kind of stage. Okay.
Okay.
So the concept is every time there is action performed in a subcon, they will send this action via XML, okay, to uh, fab In this case, it's FabMES. Okay, so there is a FabMES, there is an integration web service to receive this, so that it can also execute this. For example, we perform movement of this slot from IQAB to PIE stats. Okay, so it will send a synchronization to here to move the lot from trans to IQAB. This is example. Okay, so far you got the point, right?
Yes.
Okay, so until it reaches the in the end of the process by the subcon, it means that
Mm,
we already finished all the necessary process. Okay, then it will continue on to the shipment, which is
mhm,
you call it first leg shipment and second leg shipment, right? First leg shipment is the beginning of the integration to subcon. When we
mm,
fab out the lot, we send to subcon, we will call it first leg shipment. So Oracle EBS is the one that are handling that.
mm,
So if you are, I believe you are familiar with Oracle system. So Oracle system will trigger the first shipment to send the translate back to this to let them know that they are ready for post fab processing.
mm.
Okay. So after it's all the finish until subcon, then we will do the second leg shipment, where
Okay.
we actually put the lot into the WNV inventory bank, wafer inventory bank to ship to customer. Okay, and Oracle will send the signal to ship to customer by sending first pick list, where we will move the bank from WNV to ship bank. Then after that ship list, where we move the lot to ship to complete.
Mhm,
So this is the current system. I mean the previous system now.
mm,
Well, I thought current because the time when we implementing this, we call it current, but it is previous system already.
mm,
Okay, so how the ASMView come into the picture? Mm. From here, you can see that um, all these the fab process, right? They are tracking every single information which is aligned with IQ, so-called process in subcon, right? There is a mapping on it. So when we split, then we will perform split. When we haul a rod, we will perform haul also. Okay, I will explain further what is split, what is haul, what is this haul, what is scrap, or what is complete. All this stuff I will explain later. But first, we will have an overview first on this.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so far so good.
Yes.
Give me a moment.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are talking about what is the current where we already introduced SMView to the system.
Mm,
Okay, so here you can see that we have new things in the picture here. Where SMView is already in the middle. Okay, so SMView is introduced in the middle as a bridge between subcon B2B and fab system. In this case, we call it promise.
mm,
Okay, because the previous MES is running on promise, but for other fab, it is like for example Fab 3E, they are running on inside Camstar.
mm,
Okay, the latest version of inside. So promise here is doesn't mean that it must be a promise. It can be other fab MES system. Okay, just that the time when we running a gigafab, the gigafab is using promise as a their fab MES.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so here come back again to this. We can see the different all the post fab process is still the same. The prefab process is still the same. Start from lot S, then fab processing, then after that e-test and QA. Okay, what it is done, it ready for uh, post fab process, then we will put into the W bank, the SM bank.
Mm,
Okay, then first step shipment again is being done here,
mm.
so that the lot Oracle will perform the ship to customer, ship to subcon. Okay,
Okay.
so when we are shipping to subcon, then the lot will interface into SMView.
Mm,
Okay,
Okay.
Mm-mm. So the case is right now is like this. If you see from the previous one, right, SMView is not come into the picture yet. So there is no, uh, so FabMES is storing their local stats also.
Okay.
Their local stats one by one, right? Here is different. Here you can see that SMView is take over the Fab process from MES, right? Fab MES, right? To put
Okay.
under SMView.
Mm.
And it immediately after that, it just put into the ship bank and complete it. So the Fab process here is done after the first stat shipment. They no longer tracking anymore the
Okay.
post-fab system, post-fab process. So you get it right. It's very clear.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, I think if Hari were there, also he will immediately notice this chart. This is the new flow of SMView. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Good. So now you can see that the difference is only that we are taking over the SMView is taking over all this information to track on SMView side instead of that. So when next time user in Fab want to view where is the lot, they cannot go to promise anymore after post Fab. They need to go to SMView to view the lot.
Okay.
Okay. So let us stick to this new flow. You can forget about the old flow because it's no longer used. Okay. Just stick to the new flow your case. Okay, I just tell you the history so that you know that okay, is previously we have this and say now we have this. Okay,
Yes.
so
Okay.
same case also. Let me explain to you that okay, we also have our own step called transb IQAB. They are pretty much the same with what we have in a promise. Okay, and all is mapping together one by one. I of course I don't draw the line here. Okay, but actually there is a mapping between them. Okay, so same thing when subcon perform any transaction like split, move, hold, it will also send to here.
Okay.
Okay, and it will reach until it finish. And when once it reaches the lordship destination, right?
Mhm.
Okay, then second leg shipment is no longer triggered by Fab. You see, Fab is no longer triggered. It's triggered by us.
Okay.
We telling Oracle. You see the green color. We are telling Oracle EBS that it is ready for shipment.
Okay.
Okay, and like usual, Oracle will trigger the list. Okay, to move the lot from WNV bank to ship bank. After that, we trigger another ship list to ship the lot ultimately. Then that is the end of the process.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So now let us talk about how does it start and how does it end. All the process in between. Okay,
Okay.
the first leg shipment here, lot interfacing SMView, we have we call it STB process.
Okay.
It stands from start to build process. Okay, so STB process is triggered by Oracle EBS
Mhm.
to our system to notify us and give us the detail of the lot that we need to interface and create the lot in SMView.
Okay.
Okay, that is STB process. So let us, for example, I will do some simulation here. Okay,
Okay.
Fab MES has slot A with 25 wafers.
Hmm.
Okay, this lot A is still under Fab MES. Okay, once this lot A is already finished processing and they're about to send to the subcon, they will continue on with the post processing. Then they will do the first step shipment. When first step shipment happen, okay,
Okay.
Oracle will send signal of STB.
Mhm.
They call it trans running signal. Okay, to JCap ASMView. I have telling you that JCap and SMView is two different thing, but it's related to each other because JCap is an extension of SMView system where it is become a middleware running under server. Okay, hence
Okay.
SMView is the core application where we can view the lot, when we can transact manually using our using the client or SM client to do the configuration. But JCap is basically call the API, extend the API to execute certain functionality and additional business logic automatically through the server. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so I hope that you understand. I think your role will play more part on JCap development when you are ready for the development.
Okay.
And it is JCap is using Java. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so it is extending. It is calling an API from IBM. Okay, we call it TX. TX.
Okay.
Okay, and the Java itself is J2EE. Okay, with using J2T integration with ASIS2 Maven repository. Okay, if you
But
have time, I believe you. Sorry,
MWin, you said something, MWin repository.
repository Maven. They are using Maven.
Okay.
You have time, you go on
Okay.
Maven. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have time, you can go and read on that because you told me that you not touch into Java directly, right? So now maybe it's your chance to understand about this. Okay.
Okay.
So I will give the overview. The more technical one, right? Like for example, how this the detail, the code showing all these things will be carried over by Kishore once he is back. Okay,
Okay.
but I
Okay.
will tell you the basic knowledge so that you are well equipped and more ready to receive the technical knowledge later on.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Just let me know any question if you feel that okay. You need to know more. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-mm. So okay, here I come back to this again. If you may notice here, all of this, right, we have call start, split, merge, hold, release. This is part of the execution that can be done by JCap and also can be done manually using client, which is
Okay.
in the case ASMView.
Okay.
Okay, but when we are talking here, this one, this part, it in this diagram is all executed by automatically by a JCap because we are doing synchronization job. So here is staying as a web service.
Okay.
Okay, the web service communication is using MQ. Okay, so the it will send the message to the MQ box. The MQ will speak the message, and we will execute accordingly according to what they are saying. For example, they are triggering a start, or they triggering a move, or split a match. Then after that, we will execute and send the signal back to SMView. Okay, then execute we will execute accordingly. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's come back to this the one. First, we have a STB. First, how shipment happen? Oracle will send signal of STB translating to JCap SMView. Then after that, then lot will be created to. Okay, so this is called STB.
Okay.
Yeah. So now after STB, what will happen? The lot now is physically exists in SMView. I mean, when we say physically, it's like you can see the lot already. You can browse the lot already. Okay, it exists in SMView now. So what will happen with the lot? We need to branch the lot to certain stage. So before I talk about branching the lot, I will tell you first about a process flow. Do you
Okay.
have idea about process flow?
No.
Okay. Okay. Let me tell you first. In SMView, we have two main attribute that attach to a lot. Okay. One is called product ID.
Mhm.
The other one is called process flow.
Mhm.
In process flow, we have main PD, we have module PD, or sometimes we call it sub-process PD, and we have process stage. We have stage. Okay. You are able to follow, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
here, come back again to here right now. Every single lot they will assign to a main flow. Okay, there is a flow that assigned on that. Normally we call it bump, sort, SC, and lot ship.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
there is a couple in behind like bump two, but we not yet use it. Okay, then we have this. Okay, so this is all the main flow. Inside the
Okay.
main flow, right, we have a subflow.
Mhm.
The subflow will consist of all the stage. Like I said, we have trans, for example. Then we have IQ AB.
Mhm.
Then we have maybe blah blah blah. Then we have at the end OQAB. Okay, so it pretty variative depend on the configuration. Okay, you will get in touch on the configuration later on after you're involved. But right now, I don't think you is important for you.
Okay,
Then we will have like this. Okay,
okay,
etc. 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 So this is how does it looks like in the process flow.
okay,
Okay, let us do some data simulation to let you see. Okay, I will show
okay,
you first and on the existing lot and how does it looks like. Okay.
okay,
Okay, here let me show you here. I will open the UAT environment to let you see.
okay,
Mm, and maybe right now let me check. Normally for the STB process, right, it must be run under Oracle. So Oracle must do the trigger. But for sometime for our development purpose, right, we actually mock the data and send the mocking data to the staging so that it can be created. Okay, but
okay,
in the normal process wise, we don't do that. Okay, we do the real one, real data. Mhm.
okay,
Okay. So this is the XML that looks like, okay, that I mentioned, the called trans running. Okay, basically there is two type right now. We have a trans STB trans, and we have a normal ship customer, and we have another ship trans. Ship trans is a new message where we do not have any transaction, do not have any synchronization with the fab anymore. Okay, we have another ship to customer message, which is we still maintain the synchronization. So that XML is much more shorter than this. Okay, because it did
okay,
not because Oracle did not provide the information. Instead, we are synchronizing the information to the fab.
okay,
Okay, this is why it is very long because we do not synchronize. So we get the data from Oracle to feed us, and we let us know. Okay, this is the value that you should execute. This is the value that you should insert. Something like that.
okay,
Okay, so let us see. First, you just log in first. Okay, Then we have couple of this. The main functionality that you normally use is lot operation, okay, and lot list, where you can find the lot list. Okay, to get the lot list, for example, later on when you do yourself, you exploring, right, you can find the lot. You can key in, for example, what is the lot and what is the status, for example, like waiting, then some other criteria, maybe subplot type, okay, maybe PR, okay, then we click search on it. It will take some time because of amount of the data. Okay, you can see that there is a we have a existing data. So this is how we fill the lot. Okay, there is a couple of lot information here. You can see that what is the customer code, what is the product ID, which as I mentioned to you earlier, the
Hmm.
main things that stored in ASMView, and what is the operation name, and what is the route ID, right? The route ID is the sub route ID, okay, and this is the main route ID, and how many quantity. So all this information you can find in the lot operation list. Okay, to view, to zoom into the specific lot, right? You can just click detail info. Okay, for example, in this case, is detail info is here. Okay, this is pre-created lot.
Okay.
Okay, initially the lot you cannot find it here. Okay, for
Okay.
example, now I have this. I haven't created this lot yet. Okay, I just simply click on it. Information has not been found.
Okay.
Okay, so let us simulate the STB.
Okay.
I have mocked the data. Okay, using our MQ tools, we call it like our MQ tools. We just simply publish the XML with the some data mocking. Okay, so that it can create a lot in ASMView. Okay, the XML looks like this way,
Hmm.
and we will execute using this command. Okay, to
Yeah.
put to the certain MQ stats what is the port number and blah blah blah. Okay,
Okay.
so let me click on it, and okay, it will take some time. Let me check on the server. Okay. This is the
Yeah, Kishore showed me this.
he show you this, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So just now you remember when I executing the STB, right? It is not yet there, right? This slot, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so now this slot is there already. You can see that it's created. Okay. In and Jacob is executing in background. You can see that there is nothing there. We do not use a manual execution using the UI here, correct? It
Okay.
executing manually, calling the TS, and it is created there. Okay, so this is how Jacob done. So this is the one that portion that developed by Java that need to be developed later on and keep to keep the enhancement according to the user request, user
Okay.
requirement. Okay.
Okay.
So now you can see that the load is already STB. In this STB, then I will explain to you what is called move and what is called split. But I will explain you through the ASMView.
Okay.
Okay, using this slot to
Okay.
further technical later on for simulation, right? There is a part on that. I think I put it as under MQ tools execution and explanation inside the session. It will cover by Kishore, I believe. Okay, so
Okay.
now let us see and simulate directly. Okay,
Okay.
here you can see that when I click route look ahead, it means that we are looking the routing right ahead, right?
Okay.
From here to here, we have a sub route and we have a main route. Remember, I told you we have a
Yes.
main route and we have a route. And why on here we only see the main route, sort this pole. Where is the sub route? Why it is not being made further? Because right now your system, the lot is still under this bump route. Okay,
Okay.
bump route. So that's why you can see the detail only for this lot, and the rest you can see only the first route only. But when you come to here, right, there is an option to branch in. So when we branch in, then we can see something like this also. We will can see that a sort. Okay, then we have operation ID one by one.
Okay.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So on here to view what have been done by this lot, then we go to operation history. I repeat again so that you can see operation history. Go to lot start, then you select after. You can see that I have three activity. One is STB, the other one call locate forward from the lot start, okay, to bump dispo. Okay, the other one is branch in. Branch is means that from this bump to here.
Okay.
Okay, so far so good, right? So now let us see what is move means. Moving means basically it's very simple. We are moving the lot from trans B to IQAB.
Okay.
Okay, so let us simulate the move in ASMView. First, I will do the process claim. Okay, everything is done under process claim. The move is called operation locate.
Okay.
Okay, when you click on it, there is a uh, there is an option to choose whether we move backward or we move forward. Okay, in JCap we only cover for moving forward because we do not use we do not support any moving backward and it is not possible also. But in certain case
Mhm.
when there is a extra request that user maybe did some mistake, they have to do manually backward, moving backward, then we can execute for them. Or maybe the turnkey user, turnkey team, they can execute by themselves to locate backward. Okay,
Okay.
so now we talk about the moving forward. So when we keep moving forward, we can actually see what step that we can move. Okay, we can jump the step, few step ahead. Also we can, but we can just do the first step. In JCap operation, they only move the next stage. But if you are using this UI, you can move to any stage you want.
Okay.
Okay, so we just do what JCap normally do. We move to the first step. Okay, when we click on it, claim memo, then we just put some comment, move for demo. Okay, then we
Okay.
click OK. You notice here the operation ID here is tky tran b, right? Let
Yes.
us click confirm.
Okay.
So when I click confirm, click OK, it moves to IQAP.
Okay.
Okay, so this is called move.
Okay.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
So far so good, right?
Yes.
Okay, let us see. Come back to our this one. We have move already.
Mm,
Okay, now we have split and merge.
mm.
Okay, what does split means? Split basically is we are splitting the lot quantity to the other lot. Okay, to create another lot on this lot so that we share the quantity of the lot. For example, like I mentioned, lot A have quantity of 25 wafers. Okay, sometimes we have to split this lot due to certain reason. Okay, for example, we want this lot to be in a certain wafers of this lot is processed separately. Okay, then we need to split. So when we are splitting the lot, we are going to split a lot A. Okay, example, the command is asking to split 3 wafer out of split 3 wafer out of lot A. Okay, then the result will be like lot A 22 wafer and lot 1 3 wafer. Right? How does it work? Let me show you. On here, when we do this, we go to split.
Okay.
Before split, I would like you to see in this family lot list. When you click on family lot list, it is only one lot.
Okay.
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 So when we come to here, we go to here, we put split. You can see that we have 25 wafer here, right?
Yes.
1 to 25, and we can choose how many wafer and which wafer that we want to split. In this case, for simulation purpose, I choose 3 wafer. Okay. Then I copy the lot ID and you define what is the child lot ID that you want.
Okay.
For example, I just put this. Okay. 10. Okay.
Okay.
Then we claim memo split for demo. Okay. Then I click confirm.
Okay.
Before I click OK, you please notice here quantity is 25.
Okay.
Okay. So when I click OK, it become 22.
Okay.
Then where is this 20 the 3 wafer go? You come to here, you notice that the extra lot that we actually created, the child lot, we call it child lot here, is created already here.
Okay.
And you come in here, you can see that the lot is 3 wafer here.
Okay.
Okay, so this is called split.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Let's come back to cover the other topic. Now is merging. Merging is the reverse way of splitting. Maybe after the user perform certain activity, they realize that okay, we done with the child lot. Now it's ready to move back to the parent lot to become 25 wafers again. Not remember, not always need to be 25 wafers, but in one family lot it always 25 wafers. But
Okay.
in one lot it may not need to be 25 wafers. Okay, so they really had to do the merge back lot 1 to lot A. So the result will be dot a dot one empty. Okay, so this is the result. Let us see. I go to here. You need to select the parent lot, progress
Okay.
claim. Okay, merge the lot, choose on the wafer lot, click the memo.
Mm.
Okay, apologize. I need to check something just now. Click OK. Then we click on merge. Okay. Then they will display here information that okay, this is the parent lot and this is the child lot. The end result will be 25 wafers. Okay. Then you click confirm on it. Please see again. Here is 25 wafer.
Okay.
Once I click OK, it become 25. Right?
Elias, but
Before
matching I can't select the child lots. Like if I
you
out of
cannot
position.
you cannot
Okay.
select because when you merge, right, the whole child lot is merging back to ASMView. You cannot merge halfway.
Okay.
It doesn't make sense also
Yeah. Yeah.
to merge halfway. Okay. So I believe there is a certain functionality in my previous company that you can merge halfway, but in here it cannot. Okay, you
Okay.
so yeah, like let us see what is happening with the child. It is become zero and is the status and empty. Basically, he dead, no
Okay.
longer exists, and
Okay.
parent lot get all back the wafer quantity. So this is good.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. We have covered split merge. Okay, it's quite a lot already. So okay, yeah. So here, hold release, hold and release. What does it mean by hold? Hold is actually we are marking the lot to hold position or stage. Means that when we tell the lot to hold, we cannot execute any activity on that lot because it's already on hold. It means that included with moving forward. Why sometimes it has to be hold? Because there is probability that there is a problem on the lot. They need to investigate it, right? Like you are like for example, we as a person, we are walking, then suddenly the police stop us saying, "Okay, please hold. We need to check on you." Same thing. Sometimes it happen on that way that they suspect there is a problem, or maybe there is already a problem, so they check on the lot. Okay, or
Okay.
they need to recover, or they need to so called maybe investigate. Okay, and repair the lot. Okay, so there is hold to not allow you to move forward. So to execute hold, come back here. We do the progress claim. Branch to operation lot move. We
Not
have a
full.
lot hole here. Okay.
Yes.
So when we click on lot hole, we can choose the reason code. You need to always put the reason code. Okay. Why you hold the lot.
Okay.
Yeah. They we have a specific reason code requested by user normally. Okay. So it can be this and can be that. But let us just put any lah. Like normally I just put okay to queue fail. Or maybe I just put the this one. That one that normally I use. I hello.
Yes. Yes.
Suddenly it pop up. Mm. Okay, just simply just use this. Then
Okay.
uh responsible operation we always use current. Don't use previous. There is a different, but the previous one normally you hold after that. Okay, but we don't use that, so we can skip on it. Okay, so when we click claim memo, hold for demo. Okay,
Okay.
then we click confirm on it. Please see here load status.
Okay.
Once I click OK, it is on hold.
Okay.
So what happened with this? Let us see.
Hmm.
I do this progression operation locate. They are telling you that this slot is on hold.
Hmm.
You
Okay.
want to continue? Okay. So they warn you.
Okay.
Okay, they warn you that you can run. In JCap, when it is on hold, you cannot even. They don't even warn you. They direct reject that this slot is on hold.
Okay.
Okay, but in this client, since I'm the super user, I'm
Mm.
executing right now. They will let me. They will give me some option to do.
Okay.
Okay, but in JCap, no. They immediately reject.
Okay.
Okay, so since I'm using my account, I'm user super user. I bypass certain thing. Okay, anyway, let us see whether I can bypass it or not. Okay, yeah, I still can bypass it.
Okay.
Okay, but it should not, right? Okay,
Okay.
so same thing. So once this slot on hold, we cannot do anything. It just block us, don't let us move. Okay, then we here come into the rescue. We have a release. So after the problem is solved or after the investigation is done and found there is no problem on the lot or blah blah blah, then they say green light. Okay, we can release the lot. So same thing. How to release the lot? We get to operation. Sorry. We go to this progress claim. Then we go to lot hold list. Okay, we can see that this lot hold register
Okay.
under this. Okay, then we choose hold release. Okay, and just put any reason code release slot. Okay, then
Okay.
we click confirm. We click on it because the lot is come back to waiting stage.
Okay.
Okay, so far so good.
Yeah.
Okay, this wafer quantity change, I believe you should ignore it. It actually not wafer quantity change. It's actually wafer content change. We're changing the content. Like you remember, I'm talking about wafer, and you're asking what is die and what is chip, right?
Yes. Yes.
Right now the content is wafer,
Okay.
but we can change the content to become chip. It means that we solve the lot. You remember in the wafer, then I show you the diagram. It
Yes.
has a that one, right? So one wafer can have a lot of die inside, can have a lot of chip inside, same thing. So wafer content change. Before I go to that, right, I think it's better for me to show you first the scrap, because after I scrap the lot you cannot use it anymore.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
come to here, then we will have progress claim. Then I use scrap. Okay, scrap you actually can select certain wafer, but on our system, right, when we call scrap, right, we scrap all the wafer inside the lot. Okay,
Okay.
so what I do is I just select all the lot. I do scrap, then we have to select the reason code.
Mm.
Okay, so let us see. Okay, just 013. Okay, click OK. Then where I want to scrap normally is here. Then scrap for demo. Click OK. Confirm. Once I click OK, please notice on the total count here, it becomes 0 and the lot status is scrapped. So one is scrapped, you can't do anything anymore. Rot is already no longer there.
Okay.
Okay, so this is called scrap. Why scrap? There is a reason normally.
Mm.
This lot totally damaged already. It cannot be used.
Okay.
Okay, or it did not go through the quality. Okay, or a lot of meaning lah. So they have decided to scrap the lot, but they still can reverse their decision. Okay,
Okay.
we call scrap cancel. In JCap functionality, we do not support scrap cancel, but since there is always possibility that user made a mistake, right? So they can execute it through client to scrap the cancel. How to scrap cancel? We go to this. Okay, we choose scrap cancel. Okay, we select all the wafer that previously there. Then we scrap cancel. Then they will tell you want to put back to the dummy carrier. Yes. What is that by dummy carrier? The place where you store the lot. Okay, they have a carrier, right, to bring here and there. So we just put it back. We are using dummy. Okay, so just put it here. the name and we use turnkey, then we claim demo. Okay, select all the wafer, put the reason, click OK, confirm. Notice here, when
Okay.
I click OK, the 25 wafer is back.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and one is back, we sure we will be able to locate forward to slot test demo.
Okay.
Okay, so we cover scrap cancel. Okay, lot info, lot attribute inquiry. Okay, lot attribute inquiry is the one that I show you just now. You can inquiry this information. Okay, you can even see what is the script parameter. Okay, so this is called lot inquiry information. Okay, and lot inquiry update, we can update the value. Every single lot will take with certain value on the script parameter. Okay, like what is the turnkey type, what is the processing OSD and CSD. You can come to here, you click edit. Okay, then you can change it to here 2017, for example. Click confirm.
Okay.
So this is called lot inquiry update. Okay, then okay, we have complete event. Basically, what does it mean by complete? Complete is exactly the same like what move have. It's actually a move. Okay, but the difference is on complete, right? On complete, right? We are moving to this final stage,
Okay.
and we are bang in the we moving to the final stage. Okay, to wait for the lot to be bang in. So when the lot to bang in, already bang into WNV. Okay, the bang like I showed you before earlier here, then it will the status will be updated to complete.
Okay.
So it's basically like a move, but just that it will update the status to complete later on.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So now I will do the wafer content change. Remember why I put this on the last? Because once I do the wafer content change, you cannot revert back anymore.
Okay.
Correct? You have
Yeah.
one wafer, I go and cut it all the way to become small. We cannot put it back anymore. Right?
Okay.
Same
Okay.
thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I go to this progress claim. I will do material content change. Then we select chip. We don't select die anymore. Okay. Demo. Then once we confirm, then we need to put what is the carrier. Normally it's the same with the lot ID. Okay. And how many quantity? We will put 10,000. Okay. Just for simulation. Normally they will pass us the value. The B2B will pass us the value.
Okay.
Okay. Then we click demo and confirm. Okay. Select carrier category. I put on carrier category. Okay. Click confirm. You will notice here. Okay, sorry, I haven't seen you. But previously here they call it wafer. When we
Yeah.
click on it, it becomes chip. And the total count now is 1,000 of chip. 10,000 of chip.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
far so good, right?
Yes.
So that's it. This is all the operation you need to understand and you need to know.
Okay.
I hope that this simulation will help you to see the
Yes.
difference, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so good. Okay, this is ASMView overview with
Okay.
the integration to JCap. Okay, you have any question
No.
before we make a move?
No. No. It's fine for me.
Okay, it's fine for you, right?
Yes.
Okay, so no further question, then we can close the call or what?
Yeah. I have to get the access for development instance areas. How do I get that?
Okay, Kishore have not covered of what the environment yet, right? Do he cover already? Not yet, right?
Environment. He told me about Putty and WinSAP,
Yes, yes,
and
yes,
he gave me Citrix URL.
yes.
But he told me that I have to contact you or Andes for to get the access for the development instance.
Really?
Yes. That's why I
Um,
dropped your email yesterday.
he already give you C3. Are you able to access this UI?
That UI is not there. He said that you have to add.
You need to, okay, first you need to raise the C3 request.
No, okay, do you want me to share my screen and show you what?
Okay, okay, okay.
Let me share my screen.
You will show me the screen.
Yes, yes. Are you able to not able to see my screen now?
Um, when I click on it, a small one. Okay, here.
Yeah, he gave me this one. This one is taking me to this text receiver. Here I don't have. I have only this. He said I have to contact you to get that desktop here.
Not this one.
No.
Okay. It depends. Okay, we have two environment. One is called development environment, which is owned by Fab 8 and Fab 1 team. Okay, basically Fab 1 team. Okay, you this request, right? You need to ask from Fab 1 representative like Christoph may be able to help you. Okay, I will try to talk with Andes to see how is the approach to getting this.
Okay.
Okay, the
Okay.
other the other request the other environment is called staging environment, which is we use for UAT
Yeah.
or some demo because it's the clean, it's more clean. Okay, like I
Okay.
show you just now because it's clean data here, so
Yes.
that's why I can show you.
Yeah.
This is you need to raise a service now request.
Yeah.
Okay.
UAT we can see it later, but for my practice and all, I need a development instance now.
Yes, yes, yes. How about the JCap? Do he already provide you the JCap access?
No, nothing. We didn't enter into anything related to
I
technical
think
and
you
data.
need you will have the session to cover that. Let me check your the one. Do you have the Excel session on your side? Maybe you can share. Otherwise, I have to find the Excel
Which one? Excel.
the session schedule session that I set last time.
It is not shared with me.
Oh, okay. Let me check. Hmm, where do I put that? Let me check. Give me a moment. Okay, we will have environment overview. But since Kishore is sick, right? Then I cover. That's why I cover ASMView operation overview. Okay. It means that your next session with Kishore will be called development overview. There we will have a SVN, Eclipse, source code overview, and compilation. So on the SVN and Eclipse side, it will cover for your development purpose. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-mm. Yeah. So the next steps, right? You need to remind Kishore first about uh the putty information to access to the development. Okay. Wait, can
Putty
you?
he shared. Putty
Oh,
and
you already shared.
yes, yes.
Okay, good. So it means that the next step is like the SVN, the Eclipse. Okay, and
It's been
bec-
structure also he explained to me,
mm-mm.
and I need access to download that code. I need access for that
Yeah,
also.
SVN. Yeah, he has to raise. He have to put initiative on that. Maybe sending email to Andes also. Okay, or probably from Feb 1 team also. Okay,
Yeah, yes. Actually,
because
I
I
put an
will.
email to Anders and you on SVN and this desktop issue.
Okay, okay.
I've
You
already
have
sent
you.
an email.
You send the email already. Okay, okay. Let me try to see whether I can follow up or not. I just want to let you know that I will be on leave for coming weeks. Okay, start
Okay,
from Friday. So that's why I would like you to also proactive to catch up with Kishore also and this to help you on certain matters.
okay.
Okay, because I'm the one that doing it, right, maybe later you when you come back to me, then no one
Yeah,
helping you follow up. Mm-mm.
yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. So but is for this case, if you already send email to us, right, then I will find time to see on the email. Okay, see how we can do. Uh,
Okay.
may I know which is the email? Uh,
Can you search emails from me? I think
mm, which one? I have a lot of things, so
you can search from
sometimes.
Maheshwara Tunga. I think you can just search from
Uh,
M-A-H-E, M-A-H-E, M-A-H,
me
no, M-A-M-A-A,
it's okay.
A for
It's
apple.
okay. It's okay. Because your voice is not that clear. I can see from here. Just now I see Maheswara.
Yeah,
This one.
yes.
Okay. This one.
Yeah,
Hello,
you can,
Kishore. Ah. Mm. Can you provide me the detail?
want my user ID?
Mm.
Windows user ID.
You let's just keep the communication here. So when I'm not around, someone can follow up.
Yes.
Um. So this number. Okay. Let me. Okay. I need this to. Okay. You can ping me if you sometime because we are at KL don't have enough resource. We quite packed with the schedule. Maybe I miss out the email, so maybe you can ping me if you need it urgently.
Okay.
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 So yeah, hopefully you can understand the situation right now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think we are done. Just write down any question if you still need a question. Okay.
Sure, sure.
You
Yeah.
can correlate like with the criticization with what have been told by Kishore, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, So hopefully you find this useful, and good luck to your next session with Kishore. Okay, I will still join. Okay,
Okay,
so any question you can bring up and let me know.
sure, Elias. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.